First, I'm going to work on preserving some of the spathe. This is the big dark red leaf that was surrounding the inflorescence, the flower cluster. This is a very typical part of plants in this family, the Araceae, the aroid family. A lot of house plants in this family. A lot of nice spring wildflowers in this family. Jack in the Pulpit is basically a miniature, much less stinky version of Stinky Phil. But these pieces were cut from the base of that modified leaf, the spadix. Or sorry, the spathe. So we're going to place these in our newsprint. Each one will go on a piece of corrugated cardboard for support and air circulation. I'm going to use one water paper under it to soak up some of the moisture. These pieces of the plant are quite thick. They were almost an inch thick and very juicy, a lot of moisture content. So I will need to come back and replace the paper and the cardboard over the next couple days to keep it from rotting in the press. But that little sandwich is done. So I'm going to preserve the rest of the spathe sample that I took now. So another piece of cardboard, a piece of newsprint, basically this piece of newspaper, and I'll place these other sections in. This one's a little long for the newsprint, so I'm just going to trim a little bit of it off. We have more than enough, so I'll just put this in a little trash pile. So the modified leaf, that blood red leaf that was surrounding the flower cluster, the spathe, that is now ready to be pressed and dried.